Feeding a large family demands speed, capacity, and consistent results in the kitchen. Best air fryers for large family helps you cook bigger portions with less oil and time. From crispy snacks to full meals, these appliances simplify cooking while saving effort daily. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. Cosori Precise Large Family Air Fryer. The Cosori Precise Large Family Air Fryer stands out as a powerful and efficient solution for households that need consistent, high-quality cooking results without long wait times. Its Turbo Blaze technology, featuring a 3600 RPM fan and temperatures reaching up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, ensures food comes out crispy on the outside while staying juicy inside. This makes it ideal for everything from fries to chicken and even baked dishes. The 5-speed fan system paired with precise temperature control allows you to fine-tune cooking based on different recipes, giving it a professional edge compared to standard air fryers. The 6-quart square basket is thoughtfully designed, offering both depth and width to accommodate family-sized portions without overcrowding. Another strong advantage is its PFAS-free ceramic coating, which not only promotes healthier cooking but also improves durability and ease of cleaning. Despite its strong performance, it operates quietly at under 53 decibels, making it suitable for open kitchens or late-night use.
Number 2. Ninja DZ401 Large Family Air Fryer. The Ninja DZ401 Large Family Air Fryer is built for maximum versatility and efficiency, especially for larger households or those who prefer cooking multiple dishes at once. Its standout dual-zone technology allows you to cook 2 completely different foods simultaneously using separate baskets, eliminating the need for back-to-back cooking. The Smart Finish feature ensures both dishes are ready at the same time, while Match Cook lets you duplicate settings for larger portions. With a massive 10-quart capacity, it can handle full meals, including large proteins like whole chickens, making it ideal for family dinners or gatherings. The 6-in-1 functionality, air fry, roast, broil, bake, reheat, and dehydrate, adds significant flexibility, reducing the need for multiple kitchen appliances. Cooking performance is impressive, delivering results up to 30% faster than traditional ovens while using little to no oil. Cleanup is also hassle-free, thanks to its PFAS-free nonstick surfaces and dishwasher-safe components.
Number 3. CHEFMAN Rotisserie Large Family Air Fryer. The CHEFMAN Rotisserie Large Family Air Fryer is a multifunctional powerhouse designed for users who want more than just basic air frying. Combining air frying, baking, roasting, dehydrating, and rotisserie capabilities, it effectively replaces several kitchen appliances in one compact unit. Its convection heating system eliminates the need for preheating, allowing meals to cook faster while maintaining even heat distribution for consistent results. One of its key highlights is the rotisserie function, which is perfect for achieving evenly cooked, juicy meats with a crispy exterior, something most standard air fryers cannot offer. The unit also includes multiple accessories, such as airflow racks, a rotisserie spit, and a drip tray, expanding its cooking possibilities. With 17 preset options and an intuitive touch control panel, it simplifies the cooking process, even for beginners. Additionally, it uses significantly less oil, making it a healthier alternative to traditional frying methods. Its larger interior capacity makes it suitable for family-sized meals, although it may require more counter space.
Number 4. Mirtan Basket Large Family Air Fryer. The Mirtan Basket Large Family Air Fryer is specifically designed for large households, offering an impressive 12.6-quart capacity that can easily handle meals for 10 to 12 people. Its dual basket system, arranged in a vertical stack, allows users to cook 2 separate dishes simultaneously without mixing flavors, which is highly practical for preparing complete meals in one go. Each basket is spacious enough to accommodate large portions, including whole chickens, making it suitable for family gatherings or meal prepping. The Sync Finish technology is a standout feature, ensuring both baskets complete cooking at the same time, even when using different settings, which adds a high level of convenience. Despite its large capacity, the compact vertical design helps save valuable counter space. Performance-wise, it delivers fast and even heating, producing crispy exteriors and tender interiors in relatively short cooking times. This efficiency is particularly useful for busy households where time management is essential.
Number 5. EDENPEER 50dB Large Family Air Fryer. The EDENPEER 50dB Large Family Air Fryer is a strong contender for users who prioritize speed, quiet operation, and convenience. Its dual heat technology significantly reduces cooking time, allowing meals to be prepared up to twice as fast compared to conventional methods. Whether it's wings, steaks, or pizza, it delivers quick and evenly cooked results, making it ideal for busy schedules. The 6-quart basket provides enough space for family-sized portions, including a full 12-inch pizza, while maintaining a compact design that fits comfortably in most kitchens. One of its unique features is the 270-degree viewing window with interior lighting, which lets you monitor food without opening the basket and losing heat. Operating at just 50 decibels, it is quieter than many competitors, making it suitable for households where noise is a concern. Additionally, it promotes healthier cooking by reducing oil usage while still achieving crispy textures. Cleanup is simple thanks to its non-stick, dishwasher-safe basket. Overall, it offers a balanced mix of speed, usability, and quiet performance, making it a reliable everyday appliance for family cooking needs.
Like the video, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon.